So we're on our way to Puerto Rico, and everyone is going crazy, getting ready. We have our bags packed, just waiting for the time to load up the van, and head to Puerto Rico. Alright, so we're all on the van. We're heading to the airport. Say hello. Hey, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I look fat. You're making me look fat.
Hey guys, we're here. We made it inside the airport, past security, and this is still part of day number 1. What do you got to say?
Mission in an arrow.
Misioneros. We're misioneros. Alright, it's official. We landed. Say hello. And we're at the airport in San Juan, waiting to get picked up.